Hey guys, Pedro Morales with Morales Outdoors, and I'm going to show you a really cool, fast and easy way to make a fire using a striker and Vaseline and some cotton balls. It's real simple and easy. You could teach your kids to do it, and it's a fun way to do a fire without matches or a lighter. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your Vaseline, and all you're going to do is just coat some cotton balls. You can do facial wipes, whatever you want. Just coat those really good. You really only need one, but I'm just going to do a couple just for fun. I'm going to set that right in there. I'm going to coat another one. Just put a glob on there. Just put a nice big glob of Vaseline on it. Rub it together. Just coat it nicely. It doesn't have to be perfect. Get it on there really good. Just like that, just a messy ball of Vaseline. And then just make yourself some kindling. Oh, that lizard came out of there, look. There he goes. He gone. Look at that nail. Now, real simple. All you're going to do is have your kindling to the side, but this is enough probably. This will get the fire going. So you got your cotton ball with the Vaseline on it. You have your flint, and we're going to use this little piece of saw as a striker, and you want to use the teeth side because it makes it spark easier. See that? Using the teeth side. If you try this side, it's really hard to get it to spark. I mean, you can get it to spark, but it's hard. So here we go. We're gonna go against the teeth, strike it right into the cotton balls, and the spark will catch that Vaseline on fire pretty quick. Look at that, there it goes, guys. Then just put your kindling over to the top. And you have a fire, just that simple. Easy peasy, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do it and it's just as easy, leave a comment, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good night.